Alaikum guys, how are you guys doing? What's up? So आज हम जा रहे हैं जिना सुपरमार्केट। यहाँ पे हमने थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करनी थी एज हम सेंटोरस भी गए थे बट हमारी कोई चीज़ें रह गई थी। So we decided to come to Jinnah supermarket. I was really excited to go to the shops and check out the items there, and I also bought a few items as well. There was a whole food court, and then watching that food court made me quite hungry, not gonna lie. Well, in Jinnah supermarket there were also many brands, and in the brands there were quite a lot of items which were very useful in our lives, and there were fashionable items. There were many items there that you could choose, and there's this really big building there also known as the Safa Gold Mall, and it's actually a very good mall. If you ever come here, you should visit this mall, as you know the surroundings, it's actually very good. And over here there's this food court again, and then there are many foods. There's dessert, there's fast food, there's rice, and there's many stuff. There were also people many selling fruits, veggies. There were people selling carpets. There were people selling decorations for homes. They were selling balloons. They were selling toys, and they were also selling these type of balls, like these air type of rubber balls, which are actually very cool. यहाँ पे बहुत रौनक भी थी. It was like so fun, even though mostly मुझे shopping में इतना मज़ा नहीं आता, but I just had a lot of fun. And when we were going home, we also saw Centaurus, which was nice, and I loved going there. And then we went to the iconic Saver Foods. I was really excited for the food because Asik also came here when I was little, and I remember everything almost. I used to have a lot of fun here. We even have an indoor and outdoor system. There's a family system as well, and the food, there's fast food as well. I didn't expect that, but there's fast food like French fries and burgers, but there's not pizza. That's a sad thing though. And there were many cats though. There were many cats, and there were waiters, really kind waiters. You could do as much refills for rice or yogurt or any of the salads, anything. Even the shami, you could get those as refills. Like you can get them again and again. And well, as you're seeing here, I was enjoying the food. The food was very, very good, and it was so good. I loved the yogurt. I loved it. And honestly, my sister Aman loved it too. Our whole family loved the dinner, and I had a lot of fun. बहुत रौनक थी. There were many people, and the shami was also good. अब देखो ना, भूख जब लगती है बहुत ज़्यादा, और अगर खाना खाओ तो मज़ा तो ज़रूर आता है ना. बड़ा मज़ा आया था मुझे. And अब हम finally डिनर करने के बाद we're leaving Saver Foods. Bye. I'm gonna miss it. I don't know when we're gonna come, but I just love their food. I still remember their food. You guys must be thinking that the vlog has ended. Not at all. There's some of the vlog left, and we were just heading to our home, just like normal people. But there wasn't traffic at all. But us in the car, we were laughing a lot. We were having a lot of fun with that food. We were actually very tired as well because we were hungry, and now we are heading back home. I don't know why. There was this big cargo truck container just at the middle of the road. I don't know, they have to close up the road or not, but you may not see this in the video, but there actually was a cargo container there. It was actually very big, and the people had to go home, and and they were actually very stuck, so they didn't know what to do. We were so lucky that we went home on time, and I'm pretty grateful for this. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until now, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.